I need you to move. I'm busy. You gotta move. Excuse you. That's the opposite of moving. That's called settling in. Hey! 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 I need you to move. Get sassy with me.
Good morning. So it is Vlogtober day 1, and I will be honest, it snuck up on me despite the fact that I had been preparing for it for, I don't know, a month. Probably do an introduction. My name is Lindsay, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. I am the maker and creator behind Simply Serving on Etsy, and you can also find me at Simply Serving HK on Instagram. I also have some designs on Ravelry, and they are also available in my Etsy shop too. Mainly mittens, some Christmas stockings, and a couple sock designs. So yeah, welcome to Vlogtober. I'm hoping that it won't get too crazy this month. We do have possibly some big changes coming up that I'm hoping to be able to keep up with the vlogs if those changes come to fruition, and keep you guys updated on all of those. So it's been quite the couple of months for us. I did a weekend vlog a month ago, 2 months ago, sometime in September. Honestly, I don't remember, but I did a weekend vlog and I enjoyed it so much. And then after that, a bunch of things just happened. It made vlogging not an option. Our oldest cat got sick, or injured rather. He wasn't sick, and we ended up taking him to the emergency vet in the next town. He's fine now, but for 2 weeks I was giving him water through a syringe, and then bringing him his food like to his little bed. So that was a lot. And then after that we had issues with our stove, so we had to get that repaired, and then our refrigerator went out and we had to completely replace that because our landlord doesn't replace appliances. So thankfully we were able to replace it, but it just wasn't an expense I had been planning for, of course. All that to say, it has been an extremely busy month or so, and on top of all of that, we are also expecting to be picking up a new it's a used vehicle, but new to us vehicle today or tomorrow. Yeah, and then there's some other things going on that I'm just not quite ready to talk about, but hopefully we'll have good news for soon. Oh, and also my sister got married, my little sister. I was in the wedding, and it was my first time ever being in a wedding. Really wonderful time, and I was really grateful to be a part of it. So yeah, lots of things going on here. As for the shop, really playing catch up at this point. I have a fairly big collaboration I'm working on right now, and will be working on through most of October. I have Christmas advents that need to be sent out this month as well, and your orders. So right now I'm sort of, since it's Thursday, the game plan is to try to get a couple more new designs done. I didn't have an update last week because of the wedding, so we'll see what happens today. We are doing e-learning with our kids. It has been hard, really hard to keep up with both my business and e-learning. Yeah, so it's a different type of Vlogtober this year from last year, I guess. Alright, I'm going to get out there, get the kids' schoolwork going, and once that is done, work on orders. And then this afternoon I need to take Will into the school to meet with his teacher, and maybe Rory too. I don't know. I have to ask her teacher because they go in once a week to take tests and anything that they need to catch up with. Yeah, excited to take you guys along with us through Vlogtober, or through October. So the plan this week was to make a rainbows and unicorn update because my friend Meg, hi Meg if you're watching, from Bad Wolf Girl is releasing an adorable pattern for a unicorn cowl. Hang on, my arm's getting tired. Sorry, my arm was getting tired. I have this back brace thing on to help with back fatigue, which I suffer from because I'm constantly like bent over all the charms. So anyway, so it kind of hurts to like hold my arms in different ways other than the position of sculpting, which is the point. Yeah, so the plan was to have some unicorn cookies, maybe a unicorn drink, and some rainbows, which I got some of the rainbows done. And I think they look really cute, but I don't know. I really need to get started on orders. So this camera angle is also awkward. I really need to get started on orders. So I will see what I get done and how much I can put into the shop this week as far as new designs go. And a huge thank you to those that have been purchasing things this week. We are always grateful and humbled. And also, as a quick reminder, I have my advent calendars available at 15% off now through October 16th. And after that, I'll be taking them out of the shop. So if you are interested in an advent calendar from us this year for Christmas, be sure to check that out.
What do you want? Oh, I see. Did you come back to tell me you want food? You hungry? What food? Yeah. But I'm working. Why didn't you ask Adam? Hello. Where are you going? That's not your box. It's my box. Are you hungry? Yeah.